Hello. In this video, I will examine the Uni Volume Delta indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays two important parameters for us. One is the market trend and the other is volume. When the candles of this indicator are green, it indicates that the market trend is upward, and when the candles are red, it indicates that the market trend is downward. The size and magnitude of these candles also indicate the market volume. The larger these candles are,
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
the more volume they indicate within that candle. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings specifies the color of the candles in an upward trend, and the next option specifies the color of the candles in a downward trend. And the last option is the number of candles from the past chart that this indicator uses for its calculations. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can see that the settings are exactly the same. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.